Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe channel. Are you frustrated because your Vizio TV just won't connect to Wi-Fi? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through simple and proven steps to fix the issue, whether your TV says network not detected, connection failed, or just keeps dropping Wi-Fi. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart your TV and router. The first step is simple. Restart both your Vizio TV and your Wi-Fi router. Unplug your TV from the power outlet, and also unplug your router. Wait for at least 1 minute, then plug both back in. Once everything powers up, go to your TV's menu, Network, Test Connection. You'll be surprised how often a quick restart clears up hidden network issues. This step helps refresh both your TV's system memory and your router's IP assignment, removing temporary glitches. It's one of the easiest and most effective methods to restore stable connectivity before trying advanced fixes. Step 2. Check your network settings. Next, let's make sure your Vizio TV is connected to the right Wi-Fi network. Go to Menu, Network, Network Connection, Wireless. You'll see a list of available networks. Select your home Wi-Fi and enter the correct password. If you see multiple networks with similar names, double-check you're selecting the right one. Incorrect or outdated credentials can easily cause failed connections. Also, confirm your router's signal strength is strong near the TV. If your Wi-Fi runs on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, try switching to 2.4 GHz for better range and reliability. Step 3. Reset the TV's network settings. If your Wi-Fi still won't connect, it's time to reset your TV's network settings. Go to Menu, Network, Reset Network. This will clear old Wi-Fi data and let you reconnect from scratch. After the reset, go back to Network Settings and reconnect to your Wi-Fi again. This step often fixes stuck configurations that block Wi-Fi pairing. It also helps remove corrupted network cache caused by firmware updates or router changes. Once done, restart your TV and run a connection test to confirm your Wi-Fi is stable. Step 4. Update your Vizio TV firmware. Outdated firmware can also cause Wi-Fi problems. To check for updates, go to Menu, System, check for updates. If an update is available, install it. It may include critical bug fixes for connectivity. Once updated, restart your TV and test your Wi-Fi connection again. Keeping your firmware up to date ensures compatibility with newer routers and network protocols. This step not only improves performance, but can also resolve hidden software errors that stop your TV from maintaining a stable Wi-Fi link. Step 5. Use a wired connection or factory reset. If none of these steps work, try connecting your TV using an Ethernet cable to verify that internet access is available. If the wired connection works, the problem is isolated to Wi-Fi hardware or settings. As a final option, you can perform a factory reset. Go to Menu, System, Reset and Admin, reset TV to factory defaults. After resetting, set up your network again. This usually resolves all Wi-Fi connection errors. And that's it. Your Vizio TV should now connect to Wi-Fi without any issues. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more TV troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.